Hello student, welcome to my class of computer subject for class 10th. In this video series, we are going to understand session number 9, that is maintain workplace safety. So basic actually details and knowledge regarding to that. We have to keep our workspace safe with the help of following instructions and the points. The points are as follow. The basic safety rule to follow at workplace, that is based on fire safety, falls and slip, electrical safety, use of first aid. So every organization, I mean to say workplace or the company or the number of the group of company must follow the standard set of safety rule and some procedures. These rules must be stated and displayed clearly at important areas. All the employees must be given and demonstrate and train the following safety rules. So student, the following safety rules should be followed by every company, organization, even then your personal workspace also, where you are doing the work like computer work and other organizational work also. So the first one thing, basic fire safety rule in organization are fire escape plan should be there, okay, and it will be installed at proper level. Conduct regular drill, it means to say whenever you have installed that particular fire safety plan, you need to use that within interval of time. I mean to say you need to have the practice for that. Third one thing, maintenance safety equipment must be taken care of there regularly. Whatever your fire extinguish and the equipments are there, you need to keep it safe and you have to maintain that. I mean to say take care of that also, and timely you have to check whether it is working properly or not. Falls and slip safety rule. So workplace must be proper ventilated, floor clean and dry, oil spill dust must be immediately cleaned, smoke alarm must be placed at the proper intervals, keep place whatever your workplace no smoking zone. Now electrical safety rule. So here according to electrical safety rule, the following points are as follow. Electrical equipment approved by recognized organization like ISI, damaged and hazardous electrical equipment must be immediately replaced, and old workout of the fried switches and wires should be changed. Heat emitting equipment should be kept away from electrical equipments like computer devices like that. Take care of the outlet circuit and should not be overloaded. Use of first aid. The first aid is the immediate assistance provided to injured and to save the life and minimize the health loss till the proper medic aid and facility is provided. Every organization must have basic first aid kit, and kit must have all necessary items. Make sure to check the expiry of the medicine and medical related items. Some rules of first aids are: assure that the injured to remain calm and not panic. Keep them warm if they are under shock. Do not move to the victim in case of back of neck of injury, and the work may be face occupational hazard to a workplace. So student, we have understand today what are the safety rules and maintenance of the workplace with safe condition, that is fire safety, fall and slip, electrical safety and use of first aid. I hope student you have understand it well. Till then student, thank you and have a nice day student.